Need to update your Android, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to update your operating system on your Android smartphone. Now let's get started. To update your Android's operating system, first open your Settings app. Scroll to the bottom and select Software Update. Then select Download and Install. Your Android will then check for available updates. If an update is available, tap Install at the bottom to update your Android. The update will then be downloaded and installation will complete. Your phone will automatically turn off and restart to finish the update process. That's all it takes to update the operating system on your Android smartphone. Want more beginner-friendly Android tips and tricks? Check out our full playlist of Android tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.